Good day, viewers. Welcome to the Physics Mind. Today, we will be looking at a problem from projectile motion. Okay, so let's dive into the example. Okay, we have an example which says that a tennis ball is projected at an angle theta to the horizontal and attains a range of 78 meters. If the velocity impacted to the ball by the racket is 30 meters per second, calculate theta. And we are given g, which is the acceleration due to gravity, to be equal to 10 meters per second square. Okay, so let's go into the solution. All right, so first of all, write down our parameters. So we are told that we are looking for angle theta because the question says calculate theta. So theta is question mark. And it attains a range of 78 meters. So what is that? That is a range. And our range is given to be 78 meters. And we are told that if the velocity impacted to the ball by the racket is 30 meters per second. So that is the what? The velocity u, which is 30 meters per second. And we are giving g, acceleration due to gravity, to be 10 meters per second square. Okay, so we are looking for theta. How do we obtain theta? So since we are given the range, we can actually obtain theta from the equation of the range. So recall that the range of a projectile is equals to u squared sine 2 theta over g. Please, if you don't know how we got this equation, go back to our first video and see how we derived the equation for the range of a projectile to be equals what? This equation. So we are looking for what? The value of theta. We have u is given. We also have what? G is given. We also have the range. So it becomes very easier for us to what? To obtain the angle theta. Okay, so substituting the values, we're going to be having our range, which is what? 78 to be equals to u square. That means square of u, and u is 30. That gives us 30 square times sine 2 theta over g, which is 10. So that is going to give us 78 to be equal to 30 square, that is 900, then times sine 2 theta over 10. Okay, so we are looking for theta, so we cross multiply. On cross multiply, we have 78 times 10 is equals 900 times sine 2 theta. So 78 times 10, that is 780 is equals 900 sine 2 theta. So we are looking for theta. What do we need to do? Divide both sides by 900. So when we divide both sides by 900, we have 780 divides 900 is equal to sine 2 theta. So 780 divided by 900. So I use my calculator. So that is equals to sine 2 theta will now be 0.8667. So we're looking for theta. So what do we do at this point? We take the sine inverse of both sides. So 2 theta will now be equal to the sine inverse of 0.8667. So 2 theta becomes sine inverse of 0.8667. Still use your calculator. Okay, so the sine inverse of 0.8667 is approximately 60 degrees. So we're looking for theta. So we divide both sides by 2. Divide this by 2. So this goes with this. So theta now becomes 60 divided by 2, which is equals 30 degrees. So it means that the angle theta is equal to 30 degrees. Thank you for watching. Please make sure you like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Bye.